Those links that I share with you, we have an international business. USANA operates in 24 diverse markets around the world. So you can use that one if you're in Canada, if you're in the USA, United Kingdom. We have Hong Kong, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and right. So if you are in there, if you're interested to try Celavive products, Intelligence Complex, really good, really nice. You can try that one. If you wanted to save more, you can save more for a pack. 15% for if you are interested to buy the packs. Dry sensitive skin pack, I am going to, where is my link? At Celavive, I buy the pack because you know me, I'm a little bit of a budget person. The adding thing, I wind up paying more. I'm buying it one by one. But when I bought it by pack, I wind up saving 15%. So although I'm into transition, I buy the product and I save more. Little by little, I was trying to make a transition, but I save more. So that one that I am sharing right now is the dry sensitive pack. Sensitive pack is composed with a gentle milk cleanser, the perfecting toner, in the vitalizing serum, the hydrating essence, the protective day SPF cream, and the replenishing night cream. Is the combination dry oily skin. This is the one that I bought. That's by pack. I bought it by pack. And dry skin, oily skin. It is with have that all vitalizing cream. Oh, because my vitalizing cream is in here. I'm going to open that one for you later. Foaming cleanser, the perfecting toner, the vitalizing serum, the hydrating eye essence, and the protective SPF in a combination oily skin. Okay, more links, and then I am going to share with you the unboxing of the one that I have. I really save a whole lot with this. This just arrived today. Your budget with the basic. You are this and the other product, you just need to do the basic. Share with you the link of the basic. So that is for the dry, sensitive skin. Okay, what you're going to get is the gentle milk cleanser, the perfecting toner, the protective day cream, and the replenishing night cream. 4. Remember, the routine, it should be cleanse, tone, enhance, moisturize. So 4. Then you still save 15% for that one. Right. If you wanted to start a regimen, but you wanted to stretch your budget, that is a way to go. Anyway, I'm going to show you. Alright. Very much for those people that are still watching right now. You go. So I have this one here. It's funny because I told my friend, hey, you know what? I bought 3. It's like, wait a minute, I did not buy 3. I bought 2. So this is the one. Okay, now this is what I bought from the 25% Celavive flash sale. And I don't know, I just always get so excited. I have the receipt one there. And then this one, I have never used this one, the exfoliating scrub mask before. So this is the first time that I'm going to use. That is for the reason why the purpose product. So that's why I was like, oh, 25%. This is the time that I'm going to test that. Okay, so that is the one. And then this is the vitalizing serum. I actually use that a whole lot. Okay. Time I forgot to show the perfecting toner. As you can see, I have a perfecting toner. That's my perfecting. I love this perfecting toner, and this is the perfecting toner. So this one, I still using this one. This is, and the nice thing with it, it has intelligence is that. So this is the there. So this is how I'm so addicted with toner. And yeah, so that is how toner is. This skincare is my vein. If some people has a vein for like shoes, bags, dresses, skincare. You love yourself, you invested in yourself, and your skin benefits on it. Why not, right? Especially if you are stressed. There is a sale, you have to buy. Do not like to. There, there we go. So this is the mask. Right, silicone mask. It has multi-purpose use too. This is the first time that I'm using this with you my review about this product. So since I'm opening this, so you are the first one, my three watchers there. You're the first one to see what's in there, what's in it. Okay. So this is, it has like a charcoal mask thing. It's a charcoal thing. It's light and it's addictive. Okay, so this is that one, and of course a serum thing. See, think serum. Guitar is this. Okay. And for now, I really appreciate your time hanging around with me. If you have questions, just send me a message. If you wanted to have a customized link, like a combination of this or this, a combination of a toner or this one here, just send me a message so I could give you a customized link for the combination. So it would be very easy for you to order it online.